Good morning. I was asked to describe what I did to fix my AquaTop 500 filter. The one thing I learned with this filter, when you first assemble it, this piece should seal nicely right in here. The little edges there and this edge should touch when it's completely set up correctly. Unfortunately, the media trays are not spaced up high enough on this model of filter, and you end up with this tray sitting about like that. That big gap there lets the water bypass the entire media or the entire filter stack and go in, over, and right back out of the filter without touching any of your biomedia. So what I did to fix that, I first filled in these little holes here with some hot glue, because this thing just kept filling up with water anyway because the seals are bad and I don't use it anyway. So that took care of one little leak. The next thing I did I made these. At the bottom of the can there's little edges that keep the filter trays up a certain distance. They're about 1/4 of an inch too short. So this, I have 4 of these in there. These space the filter trays up about 1/4 inch more than those little edges do down there. That raises all the filter trays up so that this seals against that correctly. The other big issue with these is how sloppy these filter trays fit. I can literally get my finger between the tray and the canister. So what I did to fix that, I have some duct tape and foil tape around the edge of the filter tray. This is the second one from the top. Effectively, I've made it fit a lot tighter. This gets the water to not bypass all the trays when it goes down and back up again.